The DJI OSMO Nano is making waves in the world of portable gimbals and smartphone accessories. For those who aren't familiar, this tiny powerhouse is designed to take your smartphone videography to the next level. Smartphone videographers often struggle with shaky footage, and let's face it, it can be really frustrating. You've got your phone in hand, you're trying to capture that perfect shot, but your footage ends up looking like a roller coaster ride. The lack of stabilization options can be a major limitation. You've probably tried using your phone's built-in stabilization, but sometimes it's just not enough. This is where gimbals come in. They can make a huge difference in the quality of your footage. But what's out there? And how does the DJI OSMO Nano fit into the picture? When you're out there trying to get the perfect shot, the last thing you want is your footage to be ruined by camera shake. The DJI OSMO Nano boasts some impressive tech, including a sophisticated stabilization system that smooths out even the most turbulent movements. It's incredibly easy to use. Just attach your phone, and you're good to go. What really sets it apart, though, is its compact design and intelligent features like active track, which lets you focus on your subject while the gimbal handles the rest. Plus, with its intuitive app, you can fine-tune your shots and get creative with features like time-lapse and panorama. One of the standout features of the DJI OSMO Nano is its ability to track subjects seamlessly. Imagine capturing a smooth, flowing video of your kid playing soccer, or a stunning landscape shot with your phone. It's a total game changer. I've seen some live demos, and the results are mind-blowing. Users rave about how it's transformed their content creation, giving them professional-grade footage without the hassle. For anyone serious about smartphone videography, this gimbal is a must-have. So, what makes the DJI OSMO Nano so special? For starters, its stabilization tech is top-notch. It also folds up neatly, making it super portable. Plus, with its range of smart features, you can really get creative with your shots. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or just starting out, this gimbal can seriously up your game. It enhances your smartphone's capabilities, giving you the freedom to focus on what really matters, capturing that perfect shot. To sum it up, the DJI OSMO Nano is an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their smartphone videography. With its cutting-edge stabilization, ease of use, and innovative features, it's clear why this gadget is generating so much buzz. If you're as excited about gimbals as I am, let me know in the comments below what are your favorite features. And if you're looking to take your mobile photography to the next level, stay tuned for my next video where I'll be sharing some expert tips on smartphone photography.